Calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
How's it going? Good to have you here. Welcome to Back to the Futures. Late to the party as always. Yeah, this week's been a bit of a grind for me. Thanks for coming out anyway. What can I say? Looks like we've missed out on a few nice juicy trades tonight. It's just a bit sad to see. Ah, dear. Yeah. Pretty rangy day by the looks of it. Here we go. Yeah, we're trading CL futures, which is crude oil. If you're not a futures trader, CL is crude oil.
88 miles per hour!
Yep. Yeah, one of those days today. I should have probably got in the office a bit earlier, but didn't manage to catch up with some other stuff that I had to do earlier on in the day. So here's where you get to. Anyway, lunchtime nearly in New York anyway.
No.
That's just pretty much sums up how I feel right now. Yeah. It's a nice short here. A couple $100, maybe 20 ticks. 90 down to 68. Yeah, so 20 ticks. So wouldn't have taken that one. Juicy short up here. After a nice push. See buyers drying up a little. Off the envelope. I probably would have been a dick and got out. Got out at calmer range, 32, and then been really sad to see
No,
it get down to 77. That was like a 600 trade. I actually got in here just earlier trying to set up stream and everything, and I've got an order in at 74. And it didn't get filled for some reason, just late in the queue. Price didn't muck around, hit that area and just took off. So got a chance to get a refill there at 78, but a little bit too much drawdown for me, according to my strat. I got involved a little bit earlier in that, trying to go long, got trapped, got out, like proudly got out right on the range, which is pretty much the best strat to do if you get trapped. You're gonna reduce your risk. Reduce your losses to minimum. Probably would have been okay on my drawdown tolerance, probably 180 bucks or something. It's like 18 or 20 ticks. Maybe a bit more than that, so it's getting a bit hairy, you know. So I decided to get out of that one, which is probably a good call. I missed the fill at 74. So that would have been a nice trade. Anyways, so we're up 10 bucks on the day. I took an overnight trade for 80, and then went and messed it all up and lost 70 in this one, but that's okay. We're up. What are we up? $2.60 after commissions. So still a green day. Green is green. Green is green. Might trade a little bit more. It's 11:30, which means lunch hour in New York, hot dog time. Algos are pushing price around primarily here at the moment, I think. Getting up to levels that I'm looking maybe to short again. I don't want to get stuck. Buyers don't look that enthused at the moment right here. Wicks get filled. Envelope sitting up there, currently up at 46. Probably going to be about 50 by the time it gets up there. Should be highs of the day. RSI is looking overbought slightly, just getting into that range now. So could be a short on offer here. I'm not going to become impatient. If it doesn't get up to this level, I'm not taking it. This is how can I say it? My voyage to become a funded top step trader. What do we got here? Roll forward. So we got gold. Looks like it's rolling. More open interest in the new contract in gold and SIF. I can't remember what SIF is. If anyone knows what SIF is, thanks for that, guys. That's good. Not. It's a tough one tonight. We got rollover coming up in some markets. Crude oil's rolling over at the moment, so I think that's why we're seeing such a bit of a rangy day. Beautiful opening range trade. A little bit of risk there, about 14 ticks or something. 16 ticks. But if you took that, oh, you're looking good. Probably would have got out at 90s. I'm pushing it pretty well here. Don't want to take a short. Buyers are looking really strong here. There's no volume. So it could be just an algo push. Might be a chance to take a short here. Famous last words. What should I do, guys? Stick to the strap, man. Get involved. I'm gonna get a sell up here. 47, 46 is a lucky number for me, so probably try and take 46. Maybe one tick higher than the session high. I don't know whether that's dicey or not. My strat, that's how it sort of works, so
Great Scott.
we'll see what happens. Oh, looking overboard here. Might not get a fill. It might not get up that way, up that far. Just being patient today. Friday chills. It's been an okay week, I guess. Haven't been streaming much this week. Haven't had a chance to stream at all this week. Some stuff on. I've had a few health issues. Did me back in, which it's quite nasty. So I couldn't really sit in the trading chair for too long without getting fidgety or violent. So
Smoke weed every day.
It's been okay. Just been trying to relax and get over this thing so that next week we can get back into this. Rollover will be probably Monday, depending on volume. So we'll see. I'd say we'll get a little bit more of a directional market after that. Probably pretty bullish on oil still. A few hedge funds and stuff are saying $1. So $1. That'd be nice. Get in on that. I mean $100. $100. Yes. So this is Back to the Futures. Thanks for joining us. If you like what I do, like and subscribe, all that sort of stuff. I'm going to try and be here a little bit more regularly after this week. Have a good weekend off, chill, get everything I need sorted out in my new office. Things have gotten scattered. Everything got moved around, blah, 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 blah. So
We're sending you back to the future.
we're coming back, man. We're coming back next week, Monday to Friday. So the CL pit's open about 8 a.m. Some sales coming through here. I'm going to try and hold 48. 46 for me is, like I said, is a lucky number. Try and fill that wick. I should probably front run the wick the way things have been working out for me tonight. Yeah.
I'm gonna read your thoughts.
My thoughts tonight. Quite just disappointment seeing the amount of ranging activity that I could have got involved with. Minimal risk, maximum gains, I've been pounding out this combine now for quite a while, and I'm not far away from completing step 1. So I'm becoming quite timid and selective in what trades I want to take, which is, I guess, pretty good, but can sort of fuck with your psyche,
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
So I've got to be careful of that. And just take the trades that are on offer when they get into my wheelhouse. Buyers look like they're drying up here. Sort of no man's land for me. It is pretty high though. I'm probably going to get used to taking more trades before they hit my envelope. When I'm a little bit less tight with my risk. But as of right now, I'm even thinking about taking this one up to 50 because they're pushing this. They might push this. There's no volume coming through, so it's just algo push. by the looks of it. Maybe on 30-minute. So, and strategy is you've got a gap now, so you're pushing long away from the gap, or trading away from the gap primarily, looking for longs. Nasdaq's back at Karma, point of control. ES here is at VWAP. Looks pretty bullish on this cumulative delta. Lots of buyers, lots of sellers being soaked up through that last move. Lots of seller absorption. I've been filled here. Bit of an aggressive move up to the upside there. So I'm gonna GTFO when I can. Use this range as a target, I guess. Wow, they're really pushing it. I'm stopped out. They pushed it really hard there. That's tough for me. They pushed it really hard. Yeah. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. Bit of volume came through there. Sneaky, sneaky. So that just adds to the toughness of the day. Which one is it that I'm looking for here? No, it's not that one either. Holy shit! It's that one and probably that one. Completely wrecked on that trade. And the time that I decide to balls up and get involved, they just completely smash through. That's a tough deal. Quite overboard here now. So should we take another one?
Order working. Order filled.
Hope for a big sell-off here. Oh, this is dicey. Give me my money back. Give me my money back, you bitch. I'm gonna get stopped out again. These guys are pushing hard. Ah, damn, man. Please don't wreck me. I don't want to get wrecked here. Sellers trying to come through in an obviously overbought market. Ah, man. Yeah, they're just pushing it and probably running some stops and stuff there. Ah, it's nasty. It's double wreckage. So, yeah, it's quite nasty for me on the day. 300 down on the day. 314 after commissions. They're just pushing it really heavy. Yeah, you can see on the Karma, it's pretty much should be a rule for me. When I see Karma pushing up really heavy like that, I just don't get involved in a short too early. It's hard though on the 5-minute RSI, they are really overbought. It's probably going to dump really heavy now. So this is where you got to really weigh things up. And do I want to get involved? Do I want to get dissuaded from taking another short? This is my strategy. held on and got wrecked. Oh man, stop it, pal. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Sell's trying to come through. So it looks like NASDAQ just went green. ES must be on the bottom. 0.5% down on the day. Sell's trying to come through here. It's like a wick test, I guess. 64. Lapsing through the wick test.
Order working.
I'm gonna go for one more here. Fuck it. Fill me.
Order filled.
Okay, I've got to fill. Are they gonna push it up more? Yeah. Okay. This is awesome. I really, I'm having a pretty horrendous session tonight. So, classic Friday for me, I guess. Because algos have not, I guess, a few buyers have come back in after lunch. Just jumping in with the algos. That's what happens when you go against the trend. Copping a few hits. Still trying to push here, so it's not a great sign.
I am sorry. I have been a horse's ass.
Yeah. Pretty bad trading tonight. What can you do? You know, you win some, you lose some. That's what trading's about. So we might even see it pull back to 83s here. I mean, that would be ultimate for me, but that's unlikely. I don't know whether to be patient with it or not tonight. It's 83's 20. It's not crazy, but the way Karma's gone up there, it's sort of scaring me quite a bit. Makes me think I'm going to do my ass here again.
You're a slacker.
Got here late, mate. Got getting wrecked and destroyed because I got here late. You know?
Back to the future.
This is Back to the Futures. Well, usually I don't get too wrecked. Just on a Friday, it's a bit hard. Currently short one. We went short a couple of times earlier, a little bit early, and did my ass. $310 down there. So we go glutton for punishment here. So we got another short from 67. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe if you like what I do. If you don't, please leave a comment. Let me know how I fucked up. And I'll try and fix that. I'd love to hear your feedback anyway. Still in short here. Not convinced. Price seems to want to just go up. Buyers are drying up at these levels. But so many times we see a push off karma range. So we get a retest of these highs and then a slap, possibly. Or we just get an instant kill. Death. Big blocks coming in up here at 72, so that's not helpful for me right now. We've been cleared out. No, they're just spoofing. They're spoofing. So, yeah. I'm going to have to check out this big screen. What are we going to do? We're still in the short. Hoping for price to dip a little bit here. Come back and test previous high. Maybe. That's where I got wrecked from before. We're spending a fair bit of time up here at 75. They might break this and then we're screwed. They're punching it. It's pretty awful. Looks like not too many buyers though. Who the hell's buying up here, honestly? What are we doing, guys? It's probably just the natural momentum of the market as the contracts are rolling. Will we see a lunch hour reversal, after lunch reversal? That's the key question here. I don't know whether to hold on to this on it for much longer or just give up on the day, to be honest. Got no real choice at this stage. I'm down 300. It's been a pretty appalling day. Currently, unrealized gains of negative. What was another 120. This is bad, man. Yeah, they're pushing hard. I don't know how. More buyers coming in. It's pretty gross. Just wasn't feeling this one. So Putin's stoked again. Yeah. Dude, what's going on with oil? Fuck. They are pushing it hard. Usually, we get a decent pullback after exceeding these levels. This is a bad L for me. It's quite a bad L. Yeah, we're cooked. We're about to get stopped out of here again, I think. $300. It just pushed it severely. Volume came in. The Wonder Cloud just is so strong. They probably wanted 84s, do they? Want to sweep 84s? I don't know. But yeah, one of those situations where, you know, you're trading above the outside the range, you trade away in the direction of the gap. So, classic situation. And that's me. Is what stopped? Am I stopped out? Yeah, stopped out. Ah, man. That's a really bad loss on the day, guys. 620 down, 638 after commissions, 5 trades, awful. 1 good trade, I think. So that's really unlike me, but this is a pretty embarrassing situation, to say the least. You know, I got laughed at. That's what trading is, man. It can be really psychologically challenging because of situations like this. I miss out on a fill. I was late. I didn't take this one. You know, extremely overbought. Yeah, they're just gonna slap it now from 84 probably. Just to embarrass me a little bit more. Tough deal.
You're a slacker.
This is the proof.
Yeah, it's just a nasty situation. Algo's, I ran some stops, I think. I don't know. The trend was up. We retested the level, perfect bounce. Up we went. Broke the range, consolidation, expansion. And now here they come down. So that's quite good to see. That's good to see, man. Yeah. Well, just couldn't really hold on to that one. I could have, you know, I could have held probably. But the buyers are still trying to push here. I can't short this. Not after that last experience. I'm scared. Oh man, they're just, yeah.
God damn it.
And the trials and tribulations of trading. I tell you, there's been no shortages of them for me this year. This last year. This day. What day is it? 257. Something like that. I think it's 253 days in a trading year on average. I've seen them all, but yet I still get stuck. I still get just.
Back to the future!
So there's a double top there at 84.08. Do you sell here? Really tough situation. I think I've pretty much extended beyond my daily risk capacity at the moment, so it's unfortunate because I used it all up during the lunch hour session, which is absolutely fucking stupid. Don't trade during the lunch hour, guys. You're just gonna get ground up by algos. Fuck. It's just awful, eh? Looking at that. Oh my goodness. 4 bad trades in a row. They're pushing it again. They're just knocking stops left, right, and center here. Squeezy, squeezy, Japanesey. No offense to my Japanese viewers. I love Japan. But yeah. Look at this squeeze, man. It's 12 o'clock candle. I guess that's the could be the last push.
Order working. Not feeling it, man. I'm probably gonna get even more pissed because they're gonna dump it now. Probably. It's that's cool. Just gotta know when to hold them, when to fold them, and in this case, probably when to walk away and run. Because it was a nice short there. I would have at least got a little bit of cash back. Cash back. It's yeah, my psychology's been affected. Yeah. So
That is unfortunate. Back to the karma, which has flattened out a bit. Challenging karma. 84.22 is the high. Anyway, we'll see if there's any follow through on this. We might try and get one off. It's back in zero zone, so again, just bad trading tonight from me. Got in late, didn't do any homework. Didn't stick to my plan when I thought I should have. When I knew that I should have. Are they still selling it? Yeah, sellers are following through here. Wick test 84. Diddle zone. First contract was initially taken at 46. What do we get up to? 22. So that's like $600 drawdown. I wouldn't. It's not for me. I wouldn't have been able to take that. I dialed on my stops. That one was stupid. I should have just done on my stop again and got out. You know, another. What else? Save myself another $100, $150. Anyway, thanks for being here. Thanks for joining me if you survived this far. If you're learning what not to do when chasing your future funded traded prop firm, bloody whatever you want to call it, dream. Yeah, that's Putin getting out. He's pretty happy with himself, isn't he? Yeah, good work. That was a big buyout, considering it caught me off guard, I guess, because I just can't believe I missed that. Bill at 74, man. I missed the bill at 74. Literally had an order in at 74. Hate to see it.
No, 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 no.
Smoke weed every day.
There's a bounce. Fair bit of exits up here. Man, terrible stats for today. Oh my goodness. Terrible stats. 20% winning trade. Jesus. That's, that's why it's been such a battle for me. Honestly. You have one bad day and you can set yourself back a whole week, basically. But yeah, fuck, man. A little bit appalled with my situation right now. It's all good, I just gotta move on. But yeah, review today will be pretty negative. Take a lot of work and, you know, points to work on after today. I guess this wouldn't be so agitating if I had stuck to my strategy and got the trade over the course of the last few days. I've checked the charts, and I would have, you know, my strategy played out quite nicely across some of the charts from the last few days. So no excuses. And still 620 down, but that wouldn't have been such a big hit if I was up from the week. Yeah, really bad situation there. Volume at 84. Seems to be getting rejected just above volume. Karma, 5-minute karma underneath, 5-minute karma now, oversold. Gonna trap any more shorts?
It's a trap!
Or are they gonna follow through with this move? '84 is the level. Will they break 84? Not yet. It's probably taken me back on the week, hasn't it? That loss. I don't want to reflect on it, but yeah. That's probably given me a negative week. Back to 0, is it? A weekly loss limit 175 by the looks of it. One down 175 for the week. So that's not awful, but you know, it's wasted another week of my life. Yep. And they're selling it, so that would have been a nice short there at 84.16 off the range. Fourth time, probably fifth, sixth time lucky, so I would have been broke by then. Sell's trying to get through 84 here. Looking to buy 50s. I'm not sure whether that's a good move or not. They could just sell the shit out of it now for the rest of the afternoon. Friday afternoon, get the hell out. I just was a little bit early. So that's another trick with futures trading, you know, timing. I'm going short here. I should have got short here. I've lost quite a bit of cash. My daily risk on them is $1,000. So hard to take that short. Some nice follow through there. Tough to see. Finding support at volume at 73. Not freak anyone out. Sorry.
Serenity now!
Yeah, that's pretty much it for the night for me. It's not feeling the best. Pretty much how I'm feeling right now. It's just shutting down. Got battled tonight pretty badly. Price action got wrecked pretty badly. Yeah, there's some good trades there on offer, and I probably missed all the good ones and took all the bad ones. So one of those days. Yeah, not much else we can really say about that. What else can you do? Perseverance is pretty key. If I'd taken that next short up there at 82.16, I may have covered some of the losses back. What are we talking? 82.16, 84.16. Sorry. Then at 83.70. So it's almost 40 ticks. Yeah, I would have been about 200 down for the day. Nice trade to finish off with. Restore some confidence. Unfortunately, once we hit those levels of loss, we have to stop trading. Otherwise, we just give it all back, and all this time and effort has been in vain. We don't want that. We don't want that. So just stay positive, stay real, stay true, stay realistic too, and stay honest to yourself. Like that was truly, you know.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Too many losses on the day. Didn't restrict. The last one especially, let it get out of hand. Could have held on. If I was going to hold, you know, I've already gone past my normal stop size of about 180, 200, 320. It's just too excessive. It's like a third of my risk for the day. So that's just too much on one trade. I've got to get serious. Be serious about this. You've got to play it really tight. Play the best levels you can. Pretty hard at the moment. All-time high. I'm not all-time highs, but let's just have a quick look at the daily here. Just see why I got wrecked. So that's pretty much why I got wrecked. We did come back down and retest this area, and we're in, you know, in green territory now for a long time. So basically, you could call them all-time highs as a day trader. Pretty tough fading all-time highs. due for a pullback for sure, but maybe Monday. Maybe Monday. We'll see. We will see. We got some unchecked point of control, 83. Gotta go back down and check that one from today. Possibly there's a gap to fill, 81.80. And some visuals down here as well. A lot of targets, a lot of visuals below. Naked points of control everywhere. So the next one down will be what, 81.25, 81.30s. So you could say we've, yeah. Hindsight, man. It's a mother. Okay. Anyway, here comes the sell-off. It's tough to see that one. Tough to see. Okay, yeah, cool. Well, we'll be back here Monday morning, about 7:30. It's 7:45 Central Standard Time. And go from there. Hopefully we'll have a better week next week. Stay a bit more focused and committed to the outcome and probably see some good results. So, yeah. Thanks for liking and subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one, and have a good one.
hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.